Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for Pinterest. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. To sign up for Pinterest, make sure you've downloaded the app on your device, or you can simply go to your web browser and search for www.pinterest.com and visit the official website of Pinterest. Let me tap open my application. As soon as you do that, you'll reach the very first interface of Pinterest. To sign up, enter your email address. After that, tap on the Continue button, and on the next page, in order to sign up, create a password for your account. After you're done creating a password for your account, tap on the Next button at the bottom. Enter your full name on the next page and tap on the Next button one more time. Enter your age and tap Next. Now, on this page, choose your gender, select your country, and tap on the Next button at the bottom. Now, in this page, you can pick 5 or more pins of your choice and tap on the Next button at the upper right corner. And just like that, you have been signed up to Pinterest. The pins that are being displayed are displayed according to the pins that you chose earlier. Tap on any one you like and start exploring. That is how you can sign up for Pinterest. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.